Hey folks, this is Mark speaking and you are watching Conf42 Quantum Computing 2024. Before we jump in, let me explain how things work. You can register for our website to get instant access to the content. We will email you all the links as soon as you do so. Please come have a chat with everyone on Discord and Slack. Our speakers will be happy to discuss everything that comes to your mind. This event was brought to you by StarterAI.dev, our newsletter partner, Hockeystick, the podcast partner, and our glorious media partners. In the first one today, Amit Taneja will delve into quantum advances in pharma, bridging AI and quantum computing for drug discovery.
Hey, hi everyone. Please join me for my talk on accelerating pharmaceutical innovation, leveraging AI in drug discovery. I'm really excited to share some of the best practices in integrating AI with drug discovery, and I'll be demonstrating how these advanced methodologies can actually revolutionize the pharmaceutical industry. We'll also explore, how AI can speed up the drug discovery process, reduce costs, and ultimately improve patient outcomes. I'm really looking forward to this talk and, hope you all find it insightful and engaging. Enjoy the conference. Thank you.
Chaitanya Kadiala and Sada Chilukuri will dive into revolutionizing network management with AI.
The field of AI and quantum computing is poised to redefine the boundaries of what's possible. And I'm excited to share this transformative vision. This era of unprecedented technological advancement, the demands placed upon our networks are growing exponentially. The traditional manual methods of network management are no longer sufficient to cope with the complexity and the scale of modern networks. This is where AI starts, offering a transformative solution that causes to reshape the landscape of network management. When combined with the immense computational power of quantum computing, the possibilities become even more extraordinary.
Karan Khanna, engineering at Coupang, will share insights on leveraging cloud abstractions to drive generative AI, scalability, efficiency, and diverse applications.
Please join in my talk here at Conf42 conference about leveraging cloud abstractions to drive generative AI, scalability, efficiency, and diverse applications. In this talk, we'll go over the basics of Gen AI, cloud abstractions, and how cloud abstractions fuel the Gen AI use cases. We will also see some of the industry transformative use cases with the advent of Gen AI running on the shoulders of cloud abstractions. Looking forward to this talk and hope you all enjoy the conference.
Karthik Jataprole from Workday will provide a comprehensive guide on mastering cloud security automation, integrating Terraform and Chef.
Please join me on my talk for integrating Terraform and Chef for automating cloud security infrastructure. I'm really excited to walk through some of the best practices for automation in cloud security using Terraform and Chef, and also how organizations can stay ahead of evolving security challenges in maintaining a robust, resilient cloud environment. Looking forward for this talk and hope you all enjoy the conference.
Komal Pandya, doctoral student at Indian Institute of Technology, Patna, will explore advancements in quantum warfare strategies.
Please join me for an exciting talk on advancements in quantum warfare. This talk will cover the current status and future timelines of quantum technologies with modern warfare. So join us in exploring the transformative impact of quantum computing, communication, and sensing on warfare capabilities. I really look forward to seeing you there, and I hope you like the session.
Arkit Srinivastava, senior technical consultant data engineering at Online Solutions, will explore Principium, navigating the quantum hardware ecosystem.
Today we will be diving deep into the topic of quantum hardware, what the current scenario is looking globally and what the scenario is in India, and what are the different use cases that quantum computing and quantum hardware can solve.
Vincent van Wingerden, Director Commercial Partnerships at Classic, will show you how to implement high-level programming techniques for quantum circuits.
We're a startup based all over the world, ranging from the US, Europe, and Asia. We're roughly with 65 people, and we focus specifically on quantum software. And we serve both commercial companies as well as academia.
Akshay Sekhar, Senior Technical Compliance Manager at Intuit, will highlight revolutionizing cybersecurity, leveraging generative AI in governance, risk management, and compliance.
As we integrate AI across different aspects of our life, from healthcare to finance and education to personal assistance, the need to understand and mitigate security threats is of paramount importance. These AI systems are not just lines of code, but they have the ability to influence world economies and alter the perceptions of reality. In this talk, I will be going through the application of generative AI across different industries, the security threats that Gen AI systems face, and potential mitigations, as well as legal and ethical implications of AI as a technology. I'm really looking forward to this talk and hope you all enjoy the conference.
Nitish Mehrotra, software engineer at Meta, will discuss building responsive and adaptive systems for the future with quantum computing.
We'll be exploring today an approach to designing reusable user interface modules that dynamically adapt to various environments, including mobile, desktop, and embedded systems. Thank you, and welcome to the conference.
Rich Niemec, Chief Innovation Officer at Viscosity, will examine entanglement and the future of quantum computing.
I'm going to talk about entanglement in a quantum computer future, what it is, why they couldn't solve it at the 1927 Solvay conference with Albert Einstein, Niels Bohr, Edwin Schrödinger, and why now it's solved, and we're building quantum computers. Google's latest went from taking 47 years to do something to seconds. We're going to see how drugs are going to be discovered, how there's going to be unbreakable encryption, and more. See you there.
Pranav Srikant, Senior Developer at Developers Society, will unravel the elusive phase operator, investigating quantum mysteries.
Have you ever had the sudden whim to build a quantum phase operator? No? Well, the people who did have been trying for almost a century. Come join me as we explore this elusive phase operator that has baffled the greatest minds of the physics community for over a century.
Baran Özdemir, independent entrepreneur at OZF Engineering, will present quantum computing applications in material science.
We will discuss quantum computing technology for material science, why material science is important, and how can we apply quantum computing technology for material science. In every field of science, engineering, or others, we use material science. And the quantum computing technology is the most advanced technology today, and we need to apply in the field of material science. And how can we do it? Today, we will discuss it.
In the last one, Carlos Murillo Romero Roca, research software engineer at Netherlands eScience Center, will introduce QC2, empowering quantum chemistry with modular, open-source software.
I'll be talking about QC2, a modular open-source software to perform quantum chemistry calculations using quantum computers. Thanks for joining.
This is all we have for you at Conf42 Quantum Computing 2024. As always, free RSVP for our website grants you instant access to all sessions through the website and a YouTube playlist, as well as our Discord and Slack. The talks will start streaming immediately after this video ends. Please check the schedule on the event website. If you value our efforts, please consider a monthly subscription to support our mission here at Conf42. That was Mark, and I hope you'll enjoy Conf42 Quantum Computing 2024. See you soon, and cheers!